to fix iOS system issues easily and quickly. Today we want to talk about StarzSoft Fixcon. Open the software, select Standard Repair from the home interface, then connect your device. Now click the download button to download a suitable firmware. It may take a few minutes, please wait for a while. After downloading the firmware successfully, you need to click on the Continue button to repair your device. During the process, your iPhone will restart and display the Apple logo with a progress bar. Don't worry about that. Just wait for it. Once the software displayed repaired successfully, your device will open again and ask you to enter your Apple ID and password like it is brand new. Let's talk more about StarzSoft Fixcon. From its official website we can find that it is an one-stop solution tool for 150 plus iOS system issues. It supports fixing the disabled screen, stuck on Apple logo, update failure and many other iPhone/iPadOS issues. What's more, it also helps solve tvOS issue without data loss. Besides, it has 2 repair modes. You can choose to use the standard repair or advanced repair. However, please note that the advanced repair will erase your data,